Welcome to Cooking with Frankie Meatball. This week, we're going to make some buffalo chicken balls stuffed with blue cheese.
The ultimate meatball.
I'm Frankie Meatball with the YouTube cooking show. I'm Frankie Meatball of the cooking chair with you. I'm Frankie Meatball every Wednesday in the show. I said it, you heard it, it is fun. I'm Frankie Meatball, I have a cooking show. I'm Frankie Meatball, don't forget to hit like and subscribe.
Hey, I'm Kevin, and I'm Johnny E from Philly Rock Radio. You're about to get cooking
I said it
with Frankie Meatball.
Right here, I got 2 pounds, okay, of boneless, skinless, grounded up chicken breast. I got here some fresh blue cheese that I just roughly chopped. I bought it like this. You can get this at your supermarket, okay? You can get this at your supermarket like that, or you could just get the container where it's it's already busted up. But I think this would be more fresh, it's softer, and we're gonna stick that in the middle of our bowls. Again, check it out. Bada bean coffee, baby. Oh, hey. So anyway, I got myself some ground chicken breast here. I'm gonna throw some salt in that, John. John, it's a Philly thing. Some pepper, salt, pepper in there. I'm gonna keep the meat simple. I'm gonna put just a little bit of garlic powder. You can season your chicken however you like, okay? Again, if you got the Frankie Meatball all-purpose barbecue rub, you're gonna wanna use some of that. Just because it's Frankie Meatball, you know what I'm saying, eh? So we're gonna just sprinkle some of that in there, right? And then we're gonna mix. I'm gonna throw a little more salt in there, but I just don't wanna put all the salt on top. Okay, that's nice and nice. I bought boneless chicken breast, threw it through the grinder, guys. I'm gonna throw just another pinch of salt. Boom. I got a couple videos of sauce, buffalo sauce. I got a garlic parm sauce, an atomic sauce. Feel free after this video to go back and learn how to make some buffalo sauce for your buffalo balls. I was playing around with the chicken. I feel that it's just a little bit too loose, so I'm just going to dump some breadcrumb in there to tighten that up. You want a nice consistency where you can roll a nice meatball. Everything with me is meatballs. I don't know why, hey? Maybe because I'm a meatball. I'm starting to look like a meatball too, I'll tell you that. I'm putting on my winter weight, you know what I mean? I even put on my winter weight in the summer, you know? Forget about it. Because we want to make a nice sized bowl, you know, and put that. You don't want the bowls too big, you don't want the bowls too small, you want a nice sized bowl, you know what I'm saying? Nice bite size, right? With that cheese in the middle, forget about it with the sauce, you're gonna love it, I'm telling you. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start rolling the meatballs. You don't want them too big, you don't want them too small, nice sized bowl, you know what I'm saying? Got a nice little piece of cheese, put it in the middle. All right, put it in the middle, and we just roll that bowl. Roll that meatball. All right, nice and nice, look at that. You can make them a little bit bigger, like I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. I don't know, man, I got a big mouth, I need a big bite size, you know? So, you know, I'm gonna take a little bit of this cheese, right? I'm gonna crumble that up, nice and nice. Stick it in the middle and just cover it up. See that? Cover it up and then just roll the ball. Just remember, guys, the bigger the ball, the more cheese you can put in. You know what I'm saying? So basically what you're going to do, you're going to repeat the process until it's gone, all right? You got your balls made. Now what I need you to do is get some flour, some egg, and some breadcrumb. And a helper, like mini Meatball, but you can't use him because he's my helper. All right. So what you're gonna do? Get your meatball, roll it in the flour. I keep calling them meatballs, but you know you get the gist of it, right? Then roll it in some egg, okay? And then shake off the excess egg, plop it in the breadcrumb, and get Mini Meatball to roll it around in the breadcrumb. And then, make sure you have a nice little area where you're gonna put it. Put some breadcrumb on there, alright, so it doesn't stick, and we're gonna put the meatball on there, or the buffalo ball. And you just keep doing it, and doing it, and doing it, until it's all done, right, Meatball? Also, what you could do is, after your balls are made, you could just, just go back over them, okay? You want it nice and crunchy, guys. Cook your chicken on 350 in your fryer. If not, remember what I used to do with the oil and the thermometer? 350, you want to cook your chicken balls, all right? We're going to get the chicken balls really nice. We're going to place one in there. We're going to place it, you don't just drop them, Be very, very sensitive with your balls. I'm telling you, this is a crowd pleaser, guys. You get it, you get them up, and just let them fry. All right, guys, look, they're starting to look good. We're gonna let them cook for a little longer. Nice and nice. We're just gonna drizzle some sauce on top. And then we're just gonna toss them in. If anybody's wondering what kind of sauce, I got a pineapple apricot habanero buffalo sauce. Now, you want a plate. Buffalo chicken balls, you see that blue cheese melted? I'm telling you, forget about it, huh? Crowd pleaser every time. Restaurants, do this idea, you're gonna love it, your people are gonna love it. Check us out on Facebook, like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and email me a recipe, a request. I will feature you in my next video. Mini Meatball, take it away, please.
If you like what you saw, make sure to like and subscribe. Turn on that bell notification so you get notified when a new video comes out every Wednesday. And don't forget, check out PhillyRockRadio.com. They play my favorites, Motley Crue, Mach 22, Twisted Sister, and lots more others.
Lots more others, guys. And check out Bada Bean Coffee. Bada Bean, Bada Boom. We're gonna put it in your cup. I think we should tell them so we can get munching on this.
Should we go? You should tell them.
Until next time.
I said it, you heard it, it is fun. I heard the shows are lots of fun. There's no show like Frankie Meatball. Don't forget a new show every Wednesday. I said it, you heard it, it is fun. And when my show is done, you have a good recipe, and I know you had some fun. I'm just a man who loves to cook. So remember, you see it here on the Frankie Meatball Show.
Forget about it, huh? It's a Frankie Meatball production.